The member of the Mayoral Committee for Safety and Security, Councillor Stag, together with the MEC for Economic Development, Environmental Affairs and Tourism, Honourable Nonkqubela Peiters, formally unveiled the Orion Engineered Carbon Tank Farm project in Bluewater Bay Sunrise Hotel. The OEC tank farm, situated in Cllr's Special Economic Zone, enables the transportation of black feedstock oil from the port of Cllr for subsequent storage and utilization in the production of carbon black. The OEC tank farm enhances the Cllr SEZ's positioning as an attractive investment location for the sustainability of the automotive and tire manufacturing industry in South Africa. Highlighting the project's impact for the people of the Eastern Cape, Honourable Nonkqubela Peiters said,
we are here today in Nelson Mandela in the Cllr SEZ, handing over the two tanks that we have built here for Orion, and that's the support as the provincial government that we've received from national government. That's why we're here today. They've supported us with 272 million to put up this infrastructure that we are seeing here, and so that we can be closer to Cllr Port. And also we've worked with TNPA to make sure that Cllr is ready for Orion. And we appreciate the support that we've received from national government. By doing that, we managed to save 7,000 jobs across the country. If Orion had decided to close shop and pack their bags and leave South Africa, wouldn't be here today. Would be talking about job losses.
The executive mayor of the Nelson Mandela Bay municipality, Councillor Cllr, had this to say.
Yes, the last 2 days we've spent with Orion, 2 productive days spent with Orion. Yesterday it was the cutting of the ribbon of this new water treatment plant that they have built. Cost them something to the tune of 68 million rand. It's basically the brown water that they're using from the Fishwater Flats, our water treatment plant, and they then turn it into water that they can use in the production of carbon black at their factory. In that process, they're saving us millions of liters of water, potable water. So we are very grateful for that. And today, again with Orion this morning, Orion took the lead this time. As you know, we've got tanks on our wonderful beachfront in our beautiful city. But those tanks are a bit of an eyesore, and Orion has taken the lead and said that they will move their tank. They're the first company to do so, to move it over to Cllr, and we're encouraging all the other companies to do the same, to follow suit, to move that, because that is where we're going to be building our waterfront. So yes, it's quite an exciting development that they've now moved their plant over where they store all their raw materials at the beachfront to Cllr instead. So I want to say thank you to Orion for once again taking the lead in that.
Orion CEO Corning F. Painter.
It's a great feeling for us. You know, this all began with a desire to redevelop the liquid storage area at the Don Pedro facility. But if those tanks closed before we got a new facility, we'd be dead. In fact, even right now with it not operating, we'd be dead. We don't have any other tanks in South Africa. We don't have any other option. So for us, you know, it's an opportunity to do more, but also it just keeps us going. It would have been fatal for us. So to actually have them right over there, and they're filled with carbon black oil, our raw material right now, which comes out of the U.S. Gulf Coast, like, that's huge for us and everybody who works at our plant.